Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a room tour, as you guys can tell. So the first thing I'm showing you guys is my fairy lights, and I got these fairy lights, I believe, from TheRange. If I'm not too mistaken. I think they're called the waterfall fairy lights, but I absolutely love them. Okay, so secondly is one of my newest items I got, which is this long mirror that I got from TheRange. I think I got it like last month, or yeah, last month actually. You guys will see it in a vlog. If you haven't watched that, I'll leave it down below for you. But I absolutely love how nice this mirror is, the vintage feel to it, the way it looks, the way it fits in the corner of my room. It just stands out, and it just is perfect for outfits of the day, as you can imagine. Okay, so moving on, this stand, side table, I think I bought it from like a vintage store, I'm not too sure. And then I've just got like accessories over it and stuff like that, as you guys can tell. And this I got from B&M, and it just holds all my jewellery. These are kind of like custom jewellery, so they're like obviously not real gold and silver, just like the ones you get from like New Look and stuff, but I absolutely love it, and it just holds all my like necklaces and stuff, so it's really good. So yeah, like I said, this stand is from a vintage store, and I've got like a bunch of watches over it, which like my favorite thing ever. I love to like put my watches out so I can see what watch to wear that day. And on here I've got like my glasses, I've got like my more expensive jewellery, and the stand AC was from TKMAX. It was a gift from my manager, and I love it so much. It just goes so well with my room. And this little stand was from Tigger, and the little cat, I think it was from Urban Outfitters. Absolutely love it. So this is how it looks as a whole. Okay, so my vanity table is from Ikea. I feel like everyone's got this dressing table, literally. And this mirror is from Reflected Mirror. I'll leave it down below for you guys. I absolutely love it. On here, I've got like a bunch of like makeup, like my everyday makeup, my mirror, my candle lit up. I love this candle, it smells so nice. Okay, so in my drawer, I've got all of my makeup. I love looking through all my makeup. It just makes me so happy. If you guys want to see a in-depth video showing you guys my makeup collection, yeah, it is, then do let me know down below. Then I might do that for you guys. Okay, so for my makeup storage, I bought this, I think, yeah, actually I bought it from Primark, so it was really, really inexpensive. I think I bought it for £4, and it holds all my like matte lipsticks and stuff, which I absolutely love. And then I've got like my lipstick holder. I bought that from, I want to say TKMAX. Yeah, TKMAX. Actually, all of my holders are from TKMAX except the Primark one. And then I've got my brush holder. I bought that from Primark. I also mentioned it in like a Primark haul. And my brushes look so mucky, so please ignore that. So if I move back, you can see how my table in Vanity Place looks as a whole. This is kind of my favorite place ever. I love sitting here, doing my makeup every morning. It just makes me so happy. Next to my vanity, I've got this side table, and in here I've just got a bunch of random things, literally. And over it, I've got all my nail polishes. I love my nail polishes. You guys know how much I love it. I wear it on like a daily basis. I've got different ones, different colors, as you guys can tell. These are like my halal nail polishes. So if you see me wearing nail polish, and you do know it's halal. And these are some of my skincare that I use in the morning, kind of before I apply my makeup. I've got like my face oil, different things. And here I've just got like cotton pads and all that good stuff, kind of what you need anyways. So yeah, like I mentioned, in here I've got a bunch of random things. It's not organized, so please excuse that. Yeah, it's a total mess, as you can tell. So moving on to the other side of my room, I've got this place. It's kind of where I've got like my chest of drawers. I've got like so much in there, like bottoms, tops, scarves, just like stuff that you need on a daily basis. In the grey box, I've got literally all my scarves just chucked. And then I have a classic Ikea mirror that I swear everyone has. And I've got like extra brushes. I've got this frame that inspires me like every morning. I absolutely love it. And then next to it, I've got my bunch of flowers that Adol bought me, which are so gorgeous. Just can we give it a moment? Just look how beautiful it is. And then on the floor, I've just got like a bunch of like random bags of like Pandora, Chanel. I just don't know what to do, so I just chucked it there. And moving on, this is kind of my bag collection. Oh my god, it's such a tip. I haven't found a good kind of place, so I just kind of just chucked it in. So that's kind of how my bags look. And over that, I've got a bunch of my perfumes over it. So some of my like everyday perfumes, some of my favorite ones. I like it. Okay, I like it. So next to that, I have my rail of clothes, and that's kind of some of my everyday clothes that I wear on a daily basis. And I've got a few extra bags, so those are like some of my smaller bags. I've got a few belts, I've got random stuff chucked underneath that I need to organize, and I've got the rug from Ikea. I swear everything's from Ikea, I swear down. And that's it.